有没有上厕所？啥？植物一样，是吧？可以说往那吧。
J'avais pas de data, j'avais pas de chose. Ça touche什么东西 It's like jello, but it's made up. I always thought it was good. Can I mix it? Yeah. I feel like I have too.
You know the camera quality is so much better if you take a video. Really? I didn't know.
Okay, it's actually really pretty. So we have fish cake kimbap. Here we have jajang tteokbokki with a boiled egg.
No, I'm just saying like chili cinnamon rolls on the split.
Oh, okay, thank you.
And shit.
It's really good.
Yeah?
It tastes like the one from Costco. Cold but very good.
Oh, like, ooh, cheese foam. And it's because the doves are being strangled, so the religion is getting strangled. Oh, to beauty, like, and be like, oh, you can come back.
It is 9 p.m. now and I just finished studying. I also got some fried yogurt takeout from my sister because she wanted some. And I'm heading to the train station right now. I have a train in 15 minutes, so I'll be able to catch it.